On 13th of August, Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School under Nilip constituency celebrated its 4th annual General Freshers Meet. Richard Tok BEM of Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended as the chief guest of the event. To transform the education sector at Karbi Anglong, Richard Tok BEM for Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had been visiting all the 11 developmental blocks under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council since the last few weeks. Likewise, on 13th of August, EM of Education visited Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School and attended the General Freshers Meet as the chief guest. Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School is the only higher secondary school under Nilip constituency which brought laurels to the constituency by securing 100% of pass consecutively over the past 4 years. Richard Tok BEM in charge Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council attended as the chief guest, and Bibison Rongpi, Principal Longmirjen College Dhentakhat, Khogen Terang social activist, Winson Ronghang, President of Nilip Sports Association and Chairman of Nilip BLCC Chairman, Noah Phangcho, General Secretary Nilip Sports Association, Suresh Tiso, Nilip KCS Zonal Committee, Chesongkiri Inti, Advisor KSA Chokihola Branch attended as a guest of the event.
Social meet of Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School. I congratulate all the freshers students of 88 students and welcome them into this school at Chokihola Hiigher Secondary. I came here to encouragement, motivation speech I have been given to them. First of all, that your previous priority is to studies. So give your time to study. And my awareness to the parents, my appeal to them, that please encourage those children to go for more further studies, because as per survey we have got most of the school dropouts in Karbi Anglong is class 9 and class 10 students, because of one reason is the child marriage, and we have to give this awareness along with the media team for this awareness program.
Dr. Ronjit Ronghang, Principal Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School, submitted the memorandum to Richard Tok BEM in charge Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on this occasion. Richard Tok BEM in charge Education Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that he attended the event to congratulate the students and encourage them for their further studies. He had appealed to the parents and guardians of the children to give proper guidance during their high school period, as many students drop out from school during this period as per the report, from consequently result to the early child marriage. It is reported that all the points mentioned to the memorandum submitted by Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School would be implemented as early as possible in the coming days. Dr. Ronjit Ronghang, Principal Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School, informed that the number of students enrolling their names at the school would be seen increasing every year, and the performance of the school in the last 4 years had been a great success with 100% of passing rate. But there is one issue which upsets the school authority, and that is the non-availability of classrooms. Therefore, the utmost important things that the school requires is the school infrastructure upgradation. More classrooms should be installed. He also informed that Richard Tok BEM in charge Education gave his assurance to the school authority to place a budget in the next budget session for the upgradations of Chokihola Hiigher Secondary School. Samson Ingti's report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live.